What are you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management. Let's talk money, let's talk mindset, let's talk motivation. It is Motivation Monday, and as always, like every Monday, I'm here to motivate you guys today. So it's a simple message today. Stop allowing other people to control you. It is your life. It does not get more simple than that. Stop allowing other people to control you. Stop being manipulated because of your emotions. Instead, use these situations, use these instances to elevate your life, to get you far, to get you out of your current situation and push you ahead, propel you forward, and again, elevate your life. So the reason I'm talking about this today is because I've seen way too many people recently complain and talk about what other people are doing, the impact other people are having on them, that kind of thing. This is such a basic rule of life. Always take responsibility for yourself. Come on, people, we're not kids anymore. You're not young, you're not babies, you're not, 10 years old. You've got to start taking responsibility for your life. There are going to be many people who try and destroy you. There are going to be many people who come across your path who are there to do damage. There are people who will try and inflict pain. There are people who do not want the best for you. But at the end of the day, it is your life. Do not let them manipulate you. Do not let them control you. Do not let them do things which are going to make you unhappy. Because again, it is our lives. So we are in control of our reaction to what they do. Our reaction to whatever situations we're put in. We are the only ones who can decide how much we let anything affect us. We're the only ones who can decide that. We're the only ones who can change that. We are in charge. When you start letting others control you, it takes all credibility away from yourself. It takes all the power away from you. So you got to make sure that you put yourself in a position of power. You get that power back. And you might think to yourself, well, why did they do that? Why are they stopping me? Aren't they supposed to be friends? I don't even know them. A lot of them are damaged people. And damaged people would like to damage others. It's the same way, blessed people try and bless others. It's not always negative. There are people who are blessed, who have done well, who found their potential, fulfilled their purpose, and they want to bless others. They want to help others. They want to make other people elevate. So in your case, if you are damaged, if you've been hurt by other people, do not damage other people. Do not hurt other people. Turn it into a blessing because you can be the change. Other people are going to try and stop you from doing what you want to do. But just take a second to yourself today to imagine what your life would look like if you did what you want to do, if you did what you really want to do. Just imagine how happy you would be if you were able to do the things you want to do, if you were able to live the life you want to live. I don't care how you want to do that today. Imagine your dream life. You can write it down, you can put it in your notes, you can type it up. If you want, you can picture it, speak into existence. But it doesn't matter how much of that you do, how much visualization you do, how much writing down you do, how much preparation you do. The aim, the purpose is to put it into action, to plan it, but actually to execute. Again, you're the only person who can control your happiness. And that's again why I want to emphasize that today. Be the person who's in charge. Take your power, take control of your life. Letting other people control you, dictate what you do, is the only way you're going to get burned. That's what you're doing. Stop letting other people do it. I've done it before myself, and that's why I'm telling it to you guys today. I'm telling you guys from my own experiences. Once you let other people, take control of your life, have an effect on your mood, you're losing power. You're going to get burned. A lot of the time as well, relying on other people only results in negativity. I've had, issues in the past when it comes to business, allowing other people to be in control. Sometimes, they don't want the best for you. They just want to see what they can get out of it. They just want to take advantage of you. And a lot of time you guys have to realize, unfortunately, in this world, relying a lot on other people often results in negativity. Now, I'm not saying it always results in negativity, but many times it does result in negativity. I can't tell you the number of times I've had people try and do stuff for me, for my business, for my smartwatches, for example, and they failed me. And they failed me miserably. And why? Because maybe they were hyped. They were excited when they saw, I was launching something. They wanted to get in on it. They wanted to do stuff which, would make them look good. They wanted to be a part of the success. But when it come down to it, they didn't do what they were supposed to do. They did not do what I needed them to do. And I'm telling you, that can happen in many different areas of your life. Not only for my smartwatches, but in many different areas. It's going to happen to you and you cannot let it control you. It will happen to you, but it's about how you react to it. It's about how you control your happiness. Do not give them the power. Do not let them have all of the power. Take your control back. Be in control of your mind. Your happiness is purely up to you. But actually, it's not just happiness. Be in control of everything. Be in control of your health. Be in control of your wealth, your time, what you eat, how much you sleep. Be in control of all of that. Don't let things like social media drag you in, take your attention. Don't let, people who you see out and about influence you. Also, do not let people take your energy away from you. So many people do this and it's very disappointing to see. People like taking your energy away from other people. This is the same as, those who like disasters, who like doing damage. They do it to other people. It's the same with those people who like draining your energy. Don't let them do that. So in this case, it's important to have a good friend. It's important to have, a good tight circle of people. It's important to have a good tribe of people around you because your environment will influence you. Your environment will have an impact on you. And just to make it very simple to you guys, the people around you are either going to raise you up or they're going to tear you down. It's as simple as that. The people around you, again, are going to raise you up or they're going to tear you down. It's more important than you realize. The people you hang around with, the people you're with, the people you share time with, the people you spend your energy with, those people are going to raise you up again or they're going to destroy you. They're going to bless you or they're going to damage you. But it's up to you to pick those people. And if you're in the wrong group of people, you're not with the right people, then again, it's also up to you to decide, hey, I'm going to make a change. I'm stepping away. I'm cutting back. I'm not dealing with these people anymore. I've focused a lot on the negative side of things today, the people who can hurt you and damage you. But you also have to realize something. Good people around you can help just as much as bad people around you can destroy. You need good people around you to elevate your game. You need those good people to influence you. You need those good people to, rub off on you. You also need those good people to bring you up in times when you do feel down. You need those good people so you can talk to them, just discuss things, go over things. You need those good people for so many different things, which will have small but very beneficial influences and a great impact on your life. Same when it comes to experiences. Bad experiences and good experiences can both have an equal impact on your life. Bad people, they can show you how not to conduct your life. They can show you what not to do. They can show you how not to behave. Good people can be that positivity you need in life. Good people can show you the way. They can lead you. They can help you. They can bring you up. When you run into these people, these good people, trust me when I say it elevates your life. It raises your vibes. It makes you feel so much better. They're the kind of people that, when they see you do something wrong, they'll show you how to do something right. They'll correct you in the right way. They won't just laugh at you or belittle you or make fun of you, but they'll educate you. They'll help you out. They will lead you with value instead of negativity. And that's why I say it's important, it's vital, it's absolutely critical to your purpose of your life that you build relationships with good people. You build strong relationships with those people because, they might not be the richest people in the world. They might not be, the best people in the world at what they do, but they bring that positivity aspect to you. And like I said, today is Monday Motivation, so it's important that we bring some positivity to the game. Those are the people who are committed. They'll help you figure things out. And after a while, what you do, how you behave, will be reflected from them onto you. But lastly, I just want to say, what's most important, what's extremely vital to your success and how you progress along in life is how much you put in the effort to improve. Each and every day, you must be putting in the efforts to improve. As always, even if it's just 0.1% better each and every day, that's good enough. Eventually, it will, grow a bit more. But you need to put in the effort every single day to improve. Whether that's with people, whether that's without people, whether that's people who have a negative impact on you, whether it's people who are blessing you. You still need to focus on what you can do. You have to always focus on what you can do. So when it comes to money, save a little bit more today so you can become richer tomorrow. In regards to education, read a few more pages today so you can become smarter tomorrow. When it comes to your health, exercise today. Put in those hours, do those reps, cycle, walk, take those small steps so you can be healthier tomorrow. That's how you get fitter, that's how you get healthier. And as you guys know, health is wealth. So once you cover that health aspect, once you eat right, get the right food in your body, control your mind, it makes it a little more easier for you to become richer. It makes it a little more easier for you to become wealthier, live an abundant life. When it comes to your life, there's actually one person who can change everything. There's always one person who can change everything in your life, and it's never too late. And of course, there's no explanation needed. You have to be that person. That person is you. You all have the potential to make an impact in your life, in each of your individual lives, but also in other people's lives. But my focus here today was the fact that you can be the person who has that one huge impact in your own life. You're that one person who can change everything for good. You're that one person who can be the influence. Because overall, nobody is guaranteed to change your life. You're the only person who can do that for yourself. No one's coming to save you, so take control of your life. So, as always, I hope you guys are now up and ready for this week. It's the last few days of June. That means in a few days, it is July, and we would have been halfway through the year. Yes, 2020 has been a crazy year. Yes, the outside world have done a lot of stuff to you. But again, you can control what you do. You can control how you react to it. There are enough people who have succeeded during quarantine. There are enough people who have made money, got fitter, got healthier, done what they need to do, done what they wanted to do, made the most of it. So hopefully, if you're not one of those people, you're looking to be one of those people. Because July is a few days away. And again, trust me when I say, this year will fly by and you'll look back and say, wow, did I do enough this year? Why didn't I do this? Why am I still in the same place as I was 7 months ago? Take the right measures. Take the right steps to make sure that you are on the path to hitting your goals this year. Add to that, please check out those links in the description. The first link is a free guide to making your first online profits. It's a completely free guide, so check that one out. Also, we've got Time Gear Watches, my smartwatch company there. You can be an affiliate for us. You can check out our watches. Links are in the description. For those of you who want to invest in cryptocurrency, you want to start investing in stocks, free stocks are available if you sign up through the link below. Same goes for cryptocurrency. Free Bitcoin is there, available for you. But that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you leaders have a great week this week. Go out and be great. I got money making, you got money making. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.